Are you recording this?
Yes.
No idea. I've never heard of the word before. In chapel, and they had it on the screen, but I have no idea what that means. I have no idea. I can give you a blonde answer, but I don't know.
I have no idea. Absolutely no idea.
I'm pretty sure I don't know. That was a really good question, but I have no idea. Something on the back of the bathroom stalls.
No. Sorry. Do you want me to go use the restroom and come back later?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Find me later. Is this something with roomies? Like trying you up?
I can't even spell it. How can I say something and give a definition of something I don't even know how to spell?
Reparadigm.
Reparadigm.
Well, it's when your worldview gets out of focus and then you have to repair it.
It's when you repair a paradigm. I think we should all major in reparadigm.